These watercolor snowflake cookies are the latest project in my cookie art club. Here's a preview of the tutorial. I'm cutting the cookies from a chilled sheet of gingerbread cookie dough. You can use any of my cutout cookie recipes for this project. Now that the cookies are baked and completely cool, I'll ice them with flood consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 3. All the basics on how to make cookie dough, royal icing, and the basics of cookie decorating are in the beginner tutorials. I'm using my scribe tool to help shape the icing and bring it a little bit closer to the edge. Once you have all your cookies flooded, you can set them aside to dry overnight. To paint the cookies, I'll be using Sweet Sticks Edible Cake Paint. I'm applying the paint to the outside of a zip-top bag. Once the paint is applied to the bag, I'll spray it with vodka. Give the paint a couple of sprays and then place the bag face down onto the dry cookie. Move the bag around a few times to cover the entire surface. I'm outlining each section of the snowflake with a decorating tip 1. I hope you enjoyed this preview of the latest tutorial in my cookie art club. If you'd like to see more, hit the join button to become a member. You'll get access to my recipes, over 160 ad-free cookie decorating tutorials, and personalized cookie decorating advice when you need it. See you in the cookie art club!